In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop shadow to text in Adobe Premiere Pro. We'll start by creating the text you want to stylize. Go to the top menu, choose Graphics, then New Layer, then Text. A text box will appear in your program monitor. Click inside it and type your title or caption. Keep it clear and concise so the shadow enhances rather than distracts from your message. You can position the text where you want it on screen by dragging it and adjust its basic look, like font, size, and alignment, so it's readable before you add the shadow. Next, make sure the text layer is selected in your timeline. This is important because any changes we're about to make should apply to the correct layer. If you have multiple graphics, double check the highlight in your timeline to confirm you've got the right one. Now open the Essential Graphics panel. If you don't see it, go to Window, then choose Essential Graphics. In that panel, switch to the Edit tab so you can see properties for your selected text. Look for the Appearance section. This is where you'll find controls for fill, stroke, background, and the option we need, Shadow. Click Shadow to enable it. With Shadow turned on, it's time to fine-tune the look. Start with color. A dark gray or black shadow is classic, but feel free to pick a color that complements your footage. Next, adjust opacity to control how strong the shadow feels. Aim for enough contrast to improve readability without overwhelming the text. Angle sets the direction of the light source, which determines where the shadow falls. Choose an angle that feels natural and consistent with any lighting in your scene. Distance pushes the shadow away from the text. Use a small distance for a tight, subtle shadow and a larger distance for more separation. Finally, tweak size to control softness. A larger size gives you a more diffused, gentle shadow, while a smaller size keeps edges sharper. Preview your changes in the program monitor and play through a few seconds of your clip. If your background varies, scrub through to see how the shadow behaves against different parts of the footage. Toggle the shadow setting on and off briefly to compare. If the text feels hard to read, increase opacity slightly or adjust size for a softer edge. If it looks too heavy, back off the distance or opacity. The goal is a clean, readable result that suits your project's style. And that's it. You've created text, enabled a shadow, and dialed in the